Framework of Reference for Language의 약자로 CEFR. 언어 학습자들에게 있어서 언어 능력이 어느 정도 되는지 평가하고 분류하기 위한 구체적인 표현 CEFR이래요. 크게 6가지로 나눕니다. 입문자인 단계 A1, 그다음 기초적인 단계가 A2입니다. B1 중급, B2 중상급, C1 고급, C2 최고급 해서 이렇게 6가지로 나누는데요. 이 레벨들은 듣기, 읽기, 쓰기, 말하기 능력을 평가하는 데 주로 많이 사용되고 있습니다. 각 레벨에 맞게 달과 유펜스를 소개하는 내용을 챗 GPT로 한번 물어보았습니다. 그랬더니 달과 유펜스의 내용을 쭉 이렇게 정리를 해줬는데요. 이 내용을 가지고 CEFR A1에서 C2까지 만들어 달라고 했는데 역시 이렇게 글의 길이만 봐도 조금씩 달라지는 경우가 눈에 띄게 보이시죠? 한번 읽어보도록 하겠습니다. 레벨 1, A1으로 했을 때 The Moon and the Sixpence 이렇게 end가 빠졌네요. The Moon and the Sixpence입니다. end가 빠졌습니다. The Moon and Sixpence is a book by Somerset Maugham. It tells the story of a man named Charles Strickland. He lives in London but decides to go to Paris to be a painter. He leaves his job and family to make art. In Paris, Charles works hard to paint. He doesn't care much about comfort or friends. He just wants to do his art. Later, Charles moved to Tahiti. There, he paints a lot and lives simply. The book shows Charles loves art more than anything else. 찰스 스트릭랜드가 나오는데요. 달과 유펜스에서 이분은 폴 고갱을 통해서 영감을 받아서 이 가상 인물로 정한 것입니다. A2 레벨로 가볼까요? The Moon and Sixpence is a book written by Somerset Maugham. It is about a man named Charles Strickland who lives in London. One day he decides to leave everything behind to become a painter in Paris. He leaves his job and family because he wants to follow his dreams of making art. In Paris, Charles works very hard to become a good painter. He doesn't mind living without comfort or many friends because he loves art so much. Later, Charles moves to a place called Tahiti. In Tahiti, he continues to paint and lives in a simple way. The story shows how much Charles loves art and chooses it over everything else in his life. 이렇게 내용이 A2 레벨이고요. 이제 B1 중급 레벨로 한번 가보도록 하겠습니다. The Moon and Sixpence is a novel by Somerset Maugham. It is inspired by a life of famous French painter Paul Gauguin. The story is about Charles Strickland, who lives his ordinary life in London to become a painter in Paris. He gives up successful job and comfortable family life to follow his passion for art. In Paris, Strickland works hard to become a painter, despite facing rejection from his family and society. He is very dedicated to his art and doesn't care much about comfort or relationships. His life explores the struggle between personal desires and artistic passion. Later, Strickland moves to Tahiti, where he can create art in his own way. He spends the rest of his life there, painting and living simply. The book looks at the tension between following society's rules and being true to oneself. It shows how Strickland chooses his art over everything else. 네, 이제는요 B2 레벨로 가보도록 하겠습니다. 중상급 레벨입니다. The Moon and Sixpence, written by Somerset Maugham, is inspired by the life of famous painter Paul Gauguin. The story focuses on Charles Strickland, a London stockbroker who abruptly leaves his family and career to pursue his passion for painting in Paris. Strickland's decision to leave behind a comfortable life for art is met with strong disapproval from his family and society. Despite the challenges and lack of support, he is determined to dedicate his life to art. His journey is marked by personal sacrifices as he chooses art over comfort and relationships. Eventually, Strickland moves to Tahiti, where he believes he can truly develop his art. In Tahiti, he lives a simple life, fully immersed in his work. The novel explores the themes of personal sacrifice, the struggle between societal expectations and individual desires, and the dedication required to follow one's passion. 조금 더 길어지는 느낌이 듭니다. 이제 C1 레벨로 가볼까요? 상급자 수준입니다. The Moon and Sixpence is a novel authored by Somerset Maugham, drawing inspiration from life of the renowned French artist Paul Gauguin. It chronicles the life of Charles Strickland, a man who abandons his conventional existence in London to pursue his fervent aspiration of becoming a painter in Paris. Strickland forsakes a lucrative career and a comfortable family life to immerse himself in the pursuit of artistic expression. Despite facing ostracization from his family and societal rejection, he remains steadfastly committed to his art, sacrificing personal relationships and creature comfort in the process. As the narrative progresses, Strickland relocates to Tahiti, seeking a setting more conducive to his artistic ideas. There, he fully embraces life devoted to art, living minimally, and focusing solely on his creative endeavors. The novel delves deeply into the theme of individualism, examining the tension between societal expectations and personal ambition, and illustrating Strickland's ultimate choice to prioritize his art above all else. 굉장히 어려워지는 걸 느끼겠습니다. 이제 마지막 상급 단계인 CFRC2 레벨로 한번 읽어보도록 하겠습니다. The Moon and Sixpence, penned by Somerset Maugham, is a compelling narrative deeply inspired by the life of illusions French painter Paul Gauguin. It strictly explores the existential journey of Charles Strickland, a man who eschews his mundane existence in London for the tumultuous yet fulfilling path of an artist in Paris. Strickland, in a resolute quest for artistic authenticity, relinquishes a prosperous career and stable family life, embracing the precariousness that accompanies a life dedicated solely to art. His relentless pursuit isolates him from familiar bonds and societal acceptance, yet he persists undeterred by the hardships his choices incur. As the saga unfolds, Strickland's Odyssey takes him to Tahiti, a locale that promises unbridled freedom to explore and express his artistic visions. Here, Strickland delves deeper into his craft, living a Spartan life devoted entirely to his creative pursuits. The novel is a profound meditation on the sacrifices one makes for art, the intrinsic conflict between societal norms and personal fulfillment, and unyielding passion that drives an individual to forsake all for the sake of creative expression. 이렇게 표현을 해주는데요. CFR A1에서부터 C2까지 굉장히 난해하고 좀 어려운 상급 수준까지 보여주는데 CFR 수준으로 이렇게 학습 한번 해보았습니다. 감사합니다.